There has been a growing public concern as financial and investment analysts, dealers, fund managers and owners of brokerage and advisory firms are increasingly being reported as having been part or implicated in cases of fraud and corruption. A case in point involves a tussle involving the Capital Markets Authority and some bond dealers where millions of shillings are alleged to have been made in disregard to professional conduct. To this end, the Institute of Certified Investment and Financial Analysts, ICIFA, plans to deregister and delicense errant members implicated in financial misappropriation and corruption cases.
Members of the Institute found to be involved in malpractices, financial misappropriation or corruption of whatever form will be strictly dealt with in accordance with the Investment and Financial Analysis Act and the regulations and by the bylaws of the Institute.
They believe some members could have been directly involved in the recent fraud cases and have vowed to institute appropriate action.
We are, however, not lost. We are not ignorant of the fact that the regulatory bodies, including the Capital Markets Authority, are investigating some people who, some of them, although we have not received full information, could be our members. But we are aware that there are some people who are being investigated.
Kihumba noted that a clear legislation and policy formulation on digital currency and other alternative investment avenues is critical in order to better deal with potential disruptions and ramifications that may arise.
We are a believer that industry must be well regulated, but it must not be over-regulated. The industry must be allowed to breathe, otherwise you will not get growth. And therefore, we shall be selectively identifying areas that we shall recommend for regulation. But we shall not just put a blanket cover to say we need to regulate. For example, one of the things that we were discussing is Forex online.
The Institute of Certified Investment and Financial Analysts is analyzing the pros and cons of cryptocurrency. Caroline Jenga reporting for Business Defined.